volume at this point. Ohio, Hanya-san. Okay, let me lower the volume here too. Maybe this a little louder. And there we go. Am I quiet? Am I quiet? Really? How much quiet am I? Let me see here. I have some noise suppression, but I have a good boost, I guess. Okay, let's try with a 13 gain. How's it now? Any better? But now I can see my screen. Damn it. Let me see if I can move the microphone a little closer to me. Okay, should be good this way. How's it now? Is it good enough? Okay, let's go. Okay, so last time, what was I doing? I was, let's see, SND underscore. Wait a second, it's not here. It must be here somewhere else. Oh, there we go. Okay, last time we were analyzing this function here. All these that start with S and D, which are more or less the functions for sound used by the game to abstract stuff coming from the PlayStation, and I kinda did some rearranging. For example, now it's S&D for all the regular stuff, and then we have sound BGM here. Everything related to music is now BGM. So I also have these two which are used to decode the MP3 part of the game, since this game uses MP3 for audio, apparently. Which I have no idea why, but it likes it. So let's see. I can show you something. This is from the game itself. See? This is the soundtrack I extracted. Neat. Quality is kinda bleh. But I guess it works. It's the whole soundtrack, even with some unused tracks. Oh, it's the Dino Crisis intro. No, wait, this is not Dino Crisis, this is the last one. And I have no idea where this comes from. Extra Crisis. Yeah, I can send you the whole thing and... Neat. And if you want to hear something weird, let me see if I can get there. No idea where this comes from. Y2G, yes, but I'm not showing anything for now. This is possibly my second favorite theme in this game. Run for the silo. Let's see if I can get the Super Mario stuff. There we go. I don't know why the game has this. Okay, this should be environmental stuff. And there we go. Now, this is actually Capcom. Source Next didn't do anything to the game besides re-releasing it. So, what I was saying is, okay, today I was finally able to rewrite this piece of crap function, this one which is the window procedure, and the main loop, which is actually two functions. This one which creates the window and shuts the game, and then there's this one which is the actual loop of the game, does the PlayStation initializing and stuff like that. It manages the Windows message loop here, and it does the FPS capping here. It also does other stuff, but this is just the game doing its own stuff. So kinda meh, I guess. This is basically all the game logic in one huge function. It took me a while. Especially this little crap over here. The GSM, which is not exactly the most clean solution, I guess. I wonder if it's still here. Yeah, it's here. Which apparently uses PlayStation emulation here. This is PlayStation stuff which I copied from the official libraries and just dumped them into the nice new message loop. I don't know, maybe the Dino DNA. So, let me show you one thing real quickly, if I can get Fraps to work. Oh, by the way, I'm not noticing any slowdowns which I was having before, which I guess finally fixed itself. Okay, I still have a weird bug with the game. When I try to start it the first time, it gets stuck for some reason, but if I restart the game, it just runs. And now you can even see the FPS of this. Okay, since I changed the main loop, now the window, not the window, the music is broken. As you can see, it keeps on repeating. It doesn't work as it's intended to, but at least you can see the FPS is totally correct. Still does the little thing with the music here, which I need to rewrite at some point. No, I haven't, but I did find something weird with my code. So okay, so far this is the whole thing which has been done this week. I basically ported the whole thing, exposed all the functions and variables of the game into this really huge thing here, and into this other one which has all the functions of the game, which is quite a lot of them. It's over 3,600 functions. Well, it's actually a little less since I had to drop a few, but I guess it's fine. Also, I think it might be Hannah, this task kill thing that was causing the issue with you, but I haven't tried to I haven't tried the save file. I will at some point, if I can even remember where to drop them. I think it's here. Let's see. So what I wanted to do right now is, now that I have most of the stuff figured out, I wanted to show you. Now this is actually from Resident Evil 2, so it doesn't make any sense to have it here. Why is the 7-zip thing here? Sound manager, there we go. Okay, so I was working on getting the sound thing to work. So let's go back to the game itself. Okay. So what I was trying to do last time was figure out exactly how the game handles the music, if there's a way to fix it, since it doesn't even look correctly, which unfortunately there's no real fixing to it unless I provide some sort of changes to how the game decodes stuff, which is not really possible right now. So the idea is a little more complex than I was expecting. So the thing is that I have this function which creates a bunch of buffers and doesn't actually fill them. From what I could see, the game does some really weird things with the audio, which means that it creates a very small buffer and it drops stuff as it goes into the buffers, because it's actually two buffers. Actually no, it's one buffer with two points where it wraps and starts playing back, but it's really a mess how it does this, so I'll probably just drop the thing entirely. So I figured out how the game manages this samples, which is here. The sound music, there should be the sound sample, which is just used for waves, and there's some data in this, not much actually, but I identified most of these things, and basically what it does is it creates the buffer, it locks stuff into it, and then there's this nice MP3 decode thing that does the magic where it fills more data into the buffer. And I don't want this. I actually want the thing to decompress in one shot, because we have powerful PCs now, so we don't need to be slow as hell. We can decompress 30 megabytes of data in a click. So let's see. What I was working on was a way to just replace the internal decompressor. So what did I do? I actually configured FFmpeg to decompress MPEG-3, and I actually did some code here somewhere which does the trick, if I can actually fix the damn thing. Let's see, where the hell is it? Should be sound create, I think it is. Sound initialize, where the hell did I put it? I think I have, okay, there we go, sound initialize. So what I was trying to do here was replace the current thing with X audio. But apparently X audio doesn't like this game that much. I mean, it was working at some point, but for some reason it doesn't anymore. So if I try to do this, I'm pretty sure, yeah, it's going to fail. And if the initializing fails, there's basically a crash as soon as it tries to do anything. So there we go. Now, the thing is that I don't know why the game is producing this really weird error message here. Let's see if I can show it to you. It's this one, reg dbe class not registered. I think class not registered. So what the hell is class not registered? I don't know what it is. So let's see. Apparently it's just doing this in Dino Crisis. It doesn't do the same issue with Resident Evil 1. For some reason that still works fine. It was working before. I don't know what caused this, but it seems to be an Xaudio 2 installation problem. It depends which assembly you're using. If you are dx1net.net 40, you have to install as a debugger, blah 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 blah, whatever. I don't know what the hell is wrong with this, but for some reason it's not using the correct one, I guess. It's probably using an incorrect Xaudio 2, I assume, which is not possible since this is actually using the DirectX 2010 version. Okay, Anna. Okay. Save file 5. Okay. Let me see if I can actually try and play that. Okay, let's disable the audio for now. Bear with me, the unbearable music. I think this is it. Well, we can see what happens here. Let's kill Big Lizardo. Okay, please don't kill me for the stupid music. What? The fuck just happened? This never happened to me. And there we go.
Damage confirmed at oversized transport area. Immediate shutdown. Activating anti-satellite. Operate control panel to open communication line to satellite. Communication line is now connected.
Sorry for the music. Well, did it miss?
Target is set.
I'm not sure if I can mute the music, which I should probably. Well,
Commencing attack.
Dino is a crisp for now. Now it's not a line of code. I actually disabled the events to do the music. Now see, it's changing the music, but it's still looping in the same spot. Okay, game is over.
It's okay. Huh? Regina!
Are you alright?
Yeah, we don't have much time left. Let's use this gate and get out of here. Whoa.
Can I skip this? No, I cannot. Apparently can't. But I can't skip the scene with Paula. Paula! Yeah, I've seen that before. Can't skip the freaking thing. But can I skip this? Apparently not.
Paula.
Dylan, what are we gonna do? If we don't go now, we'll never get back.
Regina, the gate is open. I know you don't want to, but you have to go back by yourself. I won't leave Paula.
Are you crazy?
Just go, please. You have the third energy data, right? When you get back to our original time, use the data to learn about third energy. Then build a perfect gate and pick us up for the last time.
Dylan. I will. I promise.
Final warning. 10 seconds to detonation.
Don't forget, you still owe me one.
Well then, you better get back quick.
Bye-bye. Oh shit. I gotta love this ending. And she never came back. This music is as good as the Resident Evil 2 ending theme. Too bad it's so short. But I still love it. And there we go, the actual part of the ending, which I like a lot. Gotta love how the game uses so little CPU. Ugh. Ugh. Where's Stark when you need him? There we go. Let's see. Is it gonna crash or not? Nothing happens, like at all. Well, at least it's not crashing, I guess. There we go. The game hasn't crashed yet. I'm waiting for it to crash. Anytime now. Doesn't seem to do anything. Let's see, where the hell is this even crashing right now? It's not actually crashing at all, apparently. Game keeps going. It's just doing nothing. Well, it doesn't crash, it just doesn't do anything at all. Oh well. Yeah, I saw that. It actually happened to you twice, which is unfortunate. This game doesn't seem to be very stable. Well, there's actually a way to make this a little different, I guess. Let me see. Can I actually make this a little more bearable, I guess? Let me see. Let me add real quickly the turbo mod code, if I can remember this. Should be like this, I think. I'm not frozen. There we go. We have already turbo mode. Haha. Well, this should make things a lot easier to test, I guess. Okay, now about this, let me see. Yeah, Turbo Crisis. Let's see. What is that I want to do here? Wait a second. This is a bit complex, I guess. So, YouTube, what are you doing? What's wrong? Am I buffering? Or what? Am I buffering? I'm back? Where was I? Okay, let's see something here. Okay, let me see what the hell is wrong with the audio here. If I can find the exact point where this is loading the X audio thing. Let's see, where the hell are you? X audio. Come on, X audio, you must be here. It's not even loading the X audio thing. Oh, okay, well, there we go. It's trying to hear, think. That it's not doing anything. Come on, where are you? It's not here. Okay, I want to check something before I proceed with this because I want to make sure that this thing happens as well with Resident Evil 2, actually 1. Oh, damn it. Well, I guess that's unfortunate. Okay, so it's loading X audio 2.7. Let's try this again. It's not loading anything else, I guess. Besides this CLBCATQDLL. Okay, let me see what it uses here. Was it sound? Or was it something else? The hell did I even put this? Let's see where the hell I got co-initialize, because I'm pretty sure there's at least another this things. Okay, this is actually doing what it's supposed to do, so it is working fine. But when I do this, okay, it's loading the same DLL, but which is this one? CLBCATQ. Let's see what the hell is doing with Resident Evil 1. CLBCATQ.dll, but it doesn't load xaudio 27 DLL for whatever reason. So I'm guessing this is using the incorrect code for some reason. Okay, let's see. Like real quickly. If my VC directories are actually the same. I don't think they are. Let's see if using this fixes anything whatsoever. Nope, still doing the same error here for some reason, I guess. Let's see, am I using something that I'm forgetting? You know what? I think it might be related to this. I think I might have to drop this entirely. There's only 2 instances of this, as far as I'm aware. Still class not registered. Okay, let's try to go here. Call create instance, debug engine. It's the same exact thing. Microsoft X, DirectX include xaudio 2. It's the same exact thing. What the hell is wrong with this? Class not registered. Nice. So what the heck is wrong with this? What is fully compiled? Just the what was it called? Just the main loop is decompiled. But for some reason this is just causing issues. I don't know what's the issue here exactly. Let me see if there's anything that I'm incorrectly setting. So let's see. How similar are these? Same. dynamic base winmm lib. Okay, it's the same exact libs, I guess. Shell only, whatever. Okay, it should be pretty much the same, I guess. Implement library ddraw.lib. Okay, debug dll machine incremental pgd subsystem windows manifest. Okay, as invoker access false, manifest ddraw whatever, no logo, and same should be exactly identical, I guess. Now let's see the flags here. C char, include this, CE, GM, OD, FD, debug, whatever. ZC inline, okay, FP precise, dwin32, debug, Windows, user DLL, ddraw exports. Oh, wait a second. Why is this winmm exports? Why is this winmm exports and not ddraw exports? It shouldn't make any difference, but whatever. Then let's see, XX, CC is the same, RTCR1 is the same, GD, OY, NTD, FC, FA, no logo, FO debug, wait a second, it's not using FP. Precompiled headers. This is definitely different, but it shouldn't make any difference, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, now it's the same. Let me see if X audio can be started here. Maybe I can check if this works. I'm using Ida. Hey, Refactor, welcome to the stream, my boy. So let's see if I can actually do this here like this. Can I include X audio directly? Yeah, no. Wait a second. Let me see. Okay, see, it's working now. So it's failing somewhere. I cannot foretell, I guess. Now let's see if this works. Yeah, okay, not registered, I guess. This is where it fails. Let's try to do the co-initialize, I guess. No, it's still not working for whatever reason. And co-initialize EX doesn't work. Let me try this. Okay, now it works. No, it doesn't work at all. It's still not working. For whatever reason, something is jinxing the... Let's try this. Okay, so it's not the audio player, it's something else that is causing this to go all fucked up, I guess. Let me try again. So this is S-OK, but why is it failing here? Let me try this instead. Let's try and see if disabling the debug actually does anything whatsoever. Oh, come on, now it's okay? So disabling the debug fixes the issue. Fuck off, game. Okay, the game is still working, I guess. It just won't have any video playback, I'm assuming. So let's try and restore whatever the hell it was doing before. Let's return this crap over here. So it was just a debug capability. Now it's working. So it was the debug thing for some reason. Ah shit, I forgot to enable the movie playback. Which reminds me, I should totally drop this thing. Totally gonna drop this at some point, since I'm not gonna use their shitty movie playback. There, see, this is actually the This is my sound playback. This is X-Audio. Let's see if it works, which I don't think it will.
Welcome. A hologram? Well, how does he...
There's not much time. On August 10th.
Year 2050.
Okay, let's try and see if this fixes anything.
The self-destruct. Detonation in...
What?
What?
You turned it on.
You turned me on. It's probably because I'm incorrectly copying the frames.
Not now.
So it's cutting the voices before it's meant to. Yeah, it is broken it out. Let's see. This is just a an effect of me messing with the audio, just implementing a very temporal solution. Temporal? Is it temporal? Temporary solution. Temporarily. Whatever. It's still a work in progress. It's a stub mostly. But you can see this is actually the MP3 playing in the back. I can probably use something better, I guess. I guess I can live without the debug thingy. Okay, let's go again through the ending. Why am I even resetting this thing?
Damage. Active.
Oh shit. Oh, what the hell happened here? What? Okay. Let's add this failsafe. I guess something was still utterly broken here. Yep. Took like 30 seconds to do. Ah, come on. Get off me. I fucking suck at this game when it's so speed running. Okay, let's go for something a little slower, I guess. Oh, come on. Get off me.
Target is.
This is getting actually slower than when I was doing this properly. Ah, come on. Get the fuck out. The music is all weird.
It's okay.
It's okay.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go through this again.
Paula.
Dylan, what are we gonna do? If we don't go now, we'll never
Can I skip
get
this?
back.
Nope, cannot. Nice Resident Evil samples there.
Regina, the gate is open. I know you don't want to, but you have to go back by yourself. I won't leave, Paula.
Are you crazy?
Just go, please. You have the third energy data, right? When you get back to our original time, use the data to learn about third energy. Then build a perfect gate and come pick us up for the last time.
Dylan. I will. I promise.
Final warning. 10
You still owe me one.
Well then, you better get back quick.
Cutscene skipping is already there. Video skipping, yes. If I use my FF and tag magic as usual, yeah, it is indeed possible. It's actually stereo, nice. Oh, come on! It is Hideo Kojima. Oh well, it was. Too bad I cannot fast forward this. Would be nice to have something faster, or at least being able to skip this crap. Though actually I think I can do this. There's now the hangover track. I think I know a way to fix the game so that I can skip this part. Or even save before this happens. Or just force the game to do this. Wow, so much memory used with this. Wait a second, wasn't Resident Evil 3 written by the same who did Resident Evil 2? Which is Sugimura, who is also the Super Sentai writer? Or actually was the Super Sentai writer. Ranking A. Okay, let's try and see if speeding things up does anything. Which I don't think it is. Okay, it's X maxed out right now, so let's see if this works, if it does anything at all. I might actually add something that indicates the status of the game. Oh well, one Dino file doesn't make any difference, I guess. You know what? While this takes place, I need a quick break. So I'll be back in a second, actually a couple minutes. I don't know what it's trying to do here, but it's definitely doing something wrong. Could be because of save files, maybe? That it's trying to access them? I don't know. What the hell is wrong with this? You know what? I'll just leave some music on and I'll be back in, I don't know, 5 minutes top. I'll be watching the stream from where I go, so I'll be on my phone. So let's see if this takes. Ouchies. Okay, be right back. Let's see if the game hangs somewhere and crashes, because that's what I want to do now. Joseph. I think that's him. Okay, it seems like the game is still going, which is weird. Actually, it's not even going. It's totally crashed somewhere. Let's see if this is still going through the... It's not going through the message thingy. No. So it's totally stuck right now. Possibly somewhere, I guess. Let me see something. Go to this assembly. Isn't doing anything. Yeah, it's possibly doing something here, but I don't know where this is coming from. I think I have to kill the stream. Not the stream, the game. For some reason this is not working out at all. It's just crashed somewhere. Well, not crashed, just looping. Ah shit, not this. No, I don't want this. Well, I have literally no idea what the hell is wrong with this game right now. Good. It's kind of boring, to be honest. It's boring. PC version? You mean the Android? No, wait, not the Android port. It was never done. Okay, about this thing over here. Let's see. Staff cannot be skipped and cannot be skipped, but everything else can be skipped, so it's the stack here, I guess. Or maybe not. Ah. I don't know what the cost could be. Sorry, I know, I'll have to check this later. Also, what the hell is this? I don't think I need this. Oh, wait a minute. Activate hack is actually doing something funny here. It's actually returning BMQD, which whatever it is. Oh well. Oh. This is actually the way you handle F10. Okay. Ah. Neat music. Wait a second, what the hell is this? Where's movie release? Movie set stop. Where the hell is this? Oh, movie release, there we go. So can I actually kill the game? Also, where the hell is the movie thing? Hua. Let's see if I can replace the movie playback or just delete it all. Let's see. Oh, fuck my life. This is huge. Which I'm guessing it's a way to restore something. Also, what the crap is this thing over here? Ah, sorry. Okay, this is a... Okay, let's make this. So this is a media stream, iMedia stream, I guess. A direct row media stream. Okay. Oh, maybe not. Oh no, wait a second. This is an actual iMedia stream. And this is iMedia stream. There we go. Found it. Ah, now I have it all. Don't know if any of you guys could figure out what the hell was doing here, but okay, this is an actual rectangle, so let's try. Okay. Let's rename this shit to this and this to iMedia stream, I guess. So the hell? Create sample. I direct row stream sample. I guess this is it. The hell is this? Is this uninitializing something? And this is a surface of some sort. I don't know what this is. No, 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 this is not what I wanted. Now this is what I want. What? Mine or there? I think something is killing my performance. Bye bye, Hannah. Okay, so this thing is basically figured out, but I don't know exactly how the game tells when something is taking place, I guess. So flag 17 is movie playback is taking place. Wait a second. So 17, which is it? Did I accidentally write any 23s? Yep, I did. So 17 is the flag used for, so if 1E is here. Not even one instance of 1. So it's always 17, I'm guessing. So if this has focus or there's a movie playing, it does the rendering thing, I guess. But where is the movie playback here? Let me see if disabling this does anything whatsoever. Oh shit. The game is stuck again. Okay, killing this does nothing whatsoever. It doesn't make the game move. Okay. I think I get where this is leading. I think this is actually the game itself. Or at least it should be. Is this a jumper? Nope, this is not jumper. Ah, shit. How do I isolate the video playback? Ah, this game is killing me. What the fuck is wrong with this? Where is the movie playback? Okay, let's go back to this. Can't be this. So this is the thing that loads the files. I'm guessing. Oh shit, there's so many of this. Wait a second. There's more of this? Wow. Ah. Can I go all the way back to the... Nope, I'm back here again. Okay, let's see if I can find any of this into other functions. Nope. Nope. And nope again. What the hell is this? Retro surface, and this is something which is only used here and in this other function here. Oh. Oh, come on. I'm guessing this is the movie surface. Maybe. Why isn't Stark around? I missed so many releases. Oh, I got a proposal for speedruns.com for this version of the game. Neat. Speaking of which, did you know, guys, that speedrun.com is using my Classic Rebirth patch for Resident Evil 1, though they couldn't accept Resident Evil 2 because The frame rate is not as similar as the original, I guess. The fuck is this? Oh, wait a second here. Where the hell is this coming from? Oh, don't tell me this is the actual code that does the scrimbliting. Does seem to be. Starting to suspect this might not be movie shot, but something else. If I had any clues what the hell this is. Let's try and see if this is it. No, this is not. End of stream. Yeah, there we go. So this is not actually. Oh, wait a second. Movie shots. Is this actually a loop in itself? I think this is where all the thing is going. Hoo, nice. This might actually be what I was looking for. Let's see, movie update, title, let's see. Please tell me this goes right. Oh yeah, it does, I think. Sort of, I guess. Nope, not yet. No, it doesn't seem to go that way. What new music? There's so much stuff that I haven't even checked. What the hell is this? Ah. Wait a second. Is this? Sorry if I'm going silent, but I'm trying to figure out a way to destroy the movie player, which I'm not even sure how it works. It seems to rock way too deep into the code. It's deadly silence. Let's see what you did there. You know what? I have a list of things to do with this game. I still have no idea how to translate the game into English because I cannot find the font for this game. Which I'm sure it's somewhere, but I'm suspecting no update, no news on that one. There will be news when I have something to show. Yeah. What? Am I at the end of the OST? Yes, I am. Wonder what the hell all these things are. This thing is so immense, it's actually not very easy to navigate at all. Wait a second, is this? a matrix calculation? Yes, it is. What? Oh, come on, what's slowing it down now? Oh, shit. The game does a lot of weird crap. So, movie is... movie face... This is not related to the movies at all, and it's the same function here. You know what, instead of calling this movie, I'm going to call this video. Because movie doesn't really work well here. But it does here. Or I should just call this, I don't know. Direct show, maybe? No. Okay, let's rename this as well. Video set run, and video read. This doesn't look at all like what Resident Evil 2 has. They use a totally different technique. Oh. What? Okay. Where this so far away? Okay, this is not returning anything, so let's destroy this. D38. Okay. So if this is 30 in size, it should end here. So this is a complete structure, I'm guessing. Let's see. Movie, let's call this movie struct for now. Let's make this 30 in size. Wait. Okay, good. Okay, let's see if I can do this. Yep, I can. 38, 3C, 40, 44. I'm guessing I can do it like this. I think this should be it, maybe. I'm hoping this is the thing that I'm looking for. Thank you very much, game. Okay. Ah, exposing some more stuff here. Yeah, that's it. They did indeed use stock footage for that. Uh-huh. So it's scaling. The hell is this? Direct 3D texture 2. Let's see if this works. Loads. Oh, this is actually blitzing. There we go. Ah, there we go. How does this connect? Doesn't give me any hints. This movie player seems like a real huge mess. Oh, come on, it's broken again? Can't be. Wait a second. Is this an actual rectangle? No, this is not rectangle. Nope. It is actually a surface. This is a texture. Okay, there we go. I have two textures and two unspecified things, I guess. Okay, let's see if there is a... Okay. There we go, found it. Okay. Now, console. Nope. Wait a second, why is the console not here? What? Oh. Yes, please. Ah, shit. Okay, I want to see something real quickly. Okay, apparently this still works. Okay, let's see. So, is the phone stored inside core.dat or not? Oh, finally. My info. Okay, it must be core.dat. Yeah, seems pretty huge. So core.dat is actually audio and what more? This is stuff. Okay, could be this, I guess. Okay, it seems like we got a winner here. This is a palette. Compressed data. And compress graphics. More compressed graphics. I totally forgot that I wanted to switch to this. You guys have been discussing quite a lot. I haven't really paid attention to the chat. Sorry for that. I'm just looking at some graphical issues. Possibly trying to figure out the bigger picture of this. Yes, what is it? Who's that? Okay, let me try and see something here. Just to make sure. What? Stooges. You mean this thing? The tabbing here? Okay, let's see what the hell I have here. Oh, what the hell is 7? What in the blue fuck is 7? It is unknown. Just how huge are you, game? It was pretty big. And it has no information whatsoever. Ah, neat music. So let's go again into this. Okay. Looks like most of these are possibly audio. Okay, 4 is audio and sound is 3. Which I'm guessing this is sound. And that's pretty much it, I guess. There's only one sample here, and the rest is data. Pretty small. Something that I don't know about, I guess. So let's just skip through this mess. Okay, this is all the audio that I needed. Then there's this, which I have literally no idea what it is, but it should be sound samples, I think. Let's see, 78. Yeah, it is sound samples. And here. Then there's this, which seems to be graphics, I guess. Not really small at all. Yeah, pretty big. Actually, let me switch into decimal mode. Oh, this is over 400. Type 7. There's only one file which has 7, so I'm guessing this might be the font? Maybe? Doesn't seem to have anything else. Let's see. If this is... Okay, this should be at... Actually, it's more than twice this size. Wow. This is pretty huge. Wow. What the hell? Wait a second. Let me see something else. Dino Crisis 2. Let's see the English version of this file. 308 kilobytes. And this is... Well, this is almost twice as many kilobytes. So I'm guessing this is where the font is. Yeah, this is the same, and the size is pretty slim. It's only 50k. Let's see. Can I make a roll dump of this? Actually, let me see something else. There we go. Found the font. I'm guessing this does look like a font to me. Let's see. Can I go for linear? Doesn't seem to do much. Though it does look like a font. Yeah, it is a font of some sort. Yeah, it is the font. So let's try and see 8-bit per pixel. Yeah. Let's try with 2-bit per pixel. There we go. Well, more or less. This must be a bitmap, I guess. Oh, there we go. Found a stupid font for this game. Ah, nice. Finally I have some clues where this fucking thing was. So now let's try with the Japanese font, I guess. So let's try this again and this. Come on, let's get quickly to where I need to go. Oh, there we go. So 7 is basically a bitmap, I'm guessing. 2 bits per pixel, interleaved. Neat. Okay, so now I finally know where the font is. Pretty huge, it seems. Whoa. Whoa. So many kanji. Yeah, I'm just shoving a file into Tile Molester. Which I'm guessing I can probably... No. No, planner doesn't work, so I'm guessing this is still linear, but with shit in reverse order. Let's see. No, it doesn't seem to work that well. It is linear, but not quite, I guess. If this is 7 by 8 is, let's try reduce again, 14. Okay, this is definitely the font, I'm guessing. 1, 2, 3, 4 tiles. 4 by 8 is 32. But maybe this is not 32, but something close to that. Guess I'm getting somewhere. Yeah, it isn't the wrong big format, but I guess I can probably try and salvage some of these. Let me see. Instead of PC JP, let's turn this into PC US. And let's create a bitmap. Can I actually not use a constructor? Okay, I cannot. Okay, let's make this, if this is 7 tiles, okay, let's see what the format could actually be. Let me jump right here. see what the format might be. F19, though I suspect this might actually be aligned to 8. No, actually no, probably A. I don't even know. Let's see. I don't know. This has some extra bits of info I'm supposing. So okay, let's try and go here. Nope. It starts right away in this format over here, which I'm guessing is some sort of texture header. Let's see. As far as I can tell, the Japanese version is actually a bit different. Doesn't even have. Oh, actually, it does have lower cases, and it's identical. It's actually at the same exact spot, so let's jump there. Let's see how much identical this might be. The header is exactly the same, at least from what I can see. It seems to be, well, the same exact thing. There's no English text in the Japanese version, though there's the font, I guess, which is what they recycled. They just removed the kanji. Yeah, there's sort and trat, I think. That should be the very first part of the font. Sort. And where's trat? Oh, wait a second, there's just sort? There's no trat? There should be an A and a T somewhere with a dot. Unless they actually wrote that in some other fashion in Japanese. I want to see some more, yeah. If you're doing the Chrysler building. So let's see. This font is pretty huge, and I'm guessing this is aligned. Maybe it works like bitmaps, so this is why this is not working. Okay, let's try and see how the hell this works. So the first character in the series is these, I suppose, which is 211A4, which is here. Okay. And it's probably 14 bytes. I'm starting to suspect this might actually be nibbles. Or maybe not. How could this be? Oh, neat. So the FF parts are supposed to be the whites, I think. And the ones... Just how many colors does this game use? Seems to use a bit more than that. Is it upscaling them or just filtering the thing? No, it's just filtering, okay. Let me see. Okay, it's definitely using a weird format here. Okay, I think I know why this is not working at all. Not by address. The fuck is wrong with this game? Okay, let's try it like this. Uh, 64. Actually. Is this actually 14 bytes? There we go. Well, I hope this certainly works. Okay. In. I certainly hope this works. I don't think it did a good thing here. Or maybe did I? Okay, let's try this. Maybe this will work. Oh shit. Totally forgot. Ah, the nice music. Hope this works. Okay, Okay, seems to be the correct one. Ah, didn't go very well, I guess. Oh yeah, of course it didn't go well. Kind of. Okay, let's try and use something else. A little better, I guess. It's right inside the data folder. It's car.dat. I think I might actually have gotten the nibbles in reverse, maybe? So let's try and change that to this. And also the sizes might be totally fucked up. Okay, kinda get it done, I guess, but not quite. Oh, let's try this. Okay, let's try again. Maybe this time would be a good time. Not quite. Still not precise enough, but I think I'm getting there slowly. Might actually be in reverse. So let's try with 8. Okay, I'm getting there slowly. Ah, wait a second. First color should be white, I guess. or something else. This should be R, G, B, and alpha. Or maybe not. Could it be because I'm fucking this thing? Okay, let's try not to make it diarrhea-like. Okay, let's diarrhea now. Still not very well aligned. Let's try with this. Why am I always opening this thing? Let's see, if this is 14 bytes, should be something like this, and then like this. Okay, so why is it not working? It's actually 2, 4, 6, 8. Am I doing something wrong? No, this is actually totally correct. Okay, so why is this tearing apart so badly? Okay. Is this wrapping or something? Let me try and reduce this thing. Okay, it seems to be reading stuff in an incorrect way. One C 0. Paula is her own mother, and we never knew. Or maybe it's Dylan's sister. Wait a second. What if I don't add anything at all? I knew it. Stupid me. I didn't have to add anything at all. It was already there. Fucking hell. Fucking hell. Why was I even adding something to begin with? The whole thing here was just a symbol, for fuck's sake. I gave them way too much credit. As if they had any clues what the font would even look like. Is there anything else to this? Like literally, is it anything else after this crap? Oh yeah, there's more. There's a lot more. No wait, I think I'm just reading this incorrectly. Yep. This is it. This is the whole thing. So, okay. Not stonks. Not stonks at all. Okay. And there we go, the font is extracted. Weird as it is, but it does look like the thing, I guess. What I don't understand is... can this thing actually use any editing? Where the hell is my Paint Shop Pro when you need it? Just thank you very much. Okay, no alpha blending at all, I guess, or maybe it is here, but yeah, the space and desk keys look hideous as fuck. Okay, I can finally do one filling thing. Let's see if, where's the encoding? Is it even here? Yeah, it is here. Okay, now how the hell do I input this? Any of this? I don't remember. Do I have NJ star? Nope, I don't have NJ star. But I have the symbol map, I guess, which could come in handy for this kind of trick. So let's write sort. There we go, sort, which is the second. Let's see, what more do I need? Ah shit, come on, go away. Rows. Where's the arrows? Where's the left row? Oh well, whatever. I need the symbols for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I don't think I will ever fill other things. So this is nothing. This is the circle, the X, the triangle, and the square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Now about the symbols, I don't think I even need them. I mean, I could use them, but they're pretty useless. Yeah, there's so much crap. So let's see, how do I fill this? The yen symbol. There we go. There, yen symbol. I have no idea about the rest of this. I'm pretty sure these two exist. I think this is it. Okay, there we go. The square brackets are here, the slash is here, the thingy here is here. Oh, the apostrophe is also here. The rest should be more or less like this. The dot, the hyphen, the comma plus. There's no asterisk though. And percentage, there's no dollar, I guess. The sharp is here. This thing doesn't exist. Exclamation mark. Whatever. I guess most of these do exist. And the rest are pretty useless. Besides maybe these three. Square, arrow, arrow. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Hello there, Fabian. Now, what? I don't care. So, I guess... Why is there space and ask in this game? I don't even know what these are for. Well, one last cigarette and then I'm quitting the stream. It's been 3 hours and 20 minutes. Wow. Then dig ducts. Ah, okay, I'll get that one. There we go. Poor French ass. Where's Y with the lines? Wonder if the 3 dots are here somewhere. I think they are. There we go. Oh, there, the yen symbol. And symbol, where? Okay. Let me see something here. Can we actually dump the Japanese phone though? Just in case I wanted something out of this. What? Let's pretend it's twice as many. Oh, there's a lot more, I guess. Yeah, there's a lot more. Maybe 66. There. It keeps going. Well, that's quite a lot, I guess. Let's try 1024. Just to see how deep it gets. Oh shit, it keeps going. It keeps going, guys. The hell is the last of these? Is this Chinese? Let's try with 80. Let's try 1200. There's more. Let's try 1300. Okay. It's definitely... This is the mark, I guess. Well, it's quite a lot, I guess. And it does seem to follow the... Let me see. Well, it's actually by phonetics. A. Okay, this is A. I. Aku. Something else. Okay, yeah, an. E. Yeah, this is definitely going by phonetics. Okay, let's try and drop 12. Let's try 100 and 2088. Should be enough. Still not enough. Okay, 2 less. So it's 1268 characters this game has. Wow, that's quite a lot. Whoa. This font is huge. And it's pretty much the same in both versions, so I probably don't even need to account for anything for the English translation. It's the same exact font. Okay, abort. I don't know what abort is. It's the same exact font. Or more or less. Lock zoom, please. Yeah, it's the same thing. Well, more or less, I guess. The US font seems... yeah, it's not actually the same. It's pretty similar, but not quite. The US one seems to be a little more... It's actually all aligned to the left. And it seems to be slightly smaller. Or it's just a Photoshop thing, I don't know. Yeah, it's probably the same size, really. Oh well, I guess this is all for today's stream. So let's go with Angina. By the coincidence, let's end the stream with the ending theme. Oh, I totally forgot the part about Edward seeding detonation. So I guess it was a weird stream, but we accomplished something. I can finally figure out why the hell X audio isn't working, and I don't care at all if I can use the debug parts of it, so who fucking cares? It's been what, two weeks since I haven't streamed? I usually do a lot more stuff during stream. Well, actually, maybe not. But still, it was a good stream, I guess. So, I don't know when the next time will be, because I usually don't ever get it correctly. So, times? Did I write times? Jesus. Okay, I guess it's time to, yeah, the Overturino. So I don't know what the next time will be. I hope soon enough. And maybe I'll finally tackle down the stupid thing with the audio in this game. Yeah, maybe next stream will be about audio again, since I can finally make the thing make sense, I guess. So guys, see you in the next stream. Thanks for coming to the show, and I'm hoping it will be soon enough. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.